YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright guys, so today we're supposed to be learning how to tie our do-rags like a pro. Right before we get into this video, click the link down in my description. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. Please smash that subscribe button for your boy. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Smash the subscribe button. And also guys, you want to copy 26 King Wavy merch, 26 King Wavy brushes, do-rags, moisturizers, butters, pomades, velvets, all of that. Link is also down in the description. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Anything you purchase off that website, don't forget to use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your purchase. So with that being said guys, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
That is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little short video. You feel me? It was a little short video, not too long. You know, just wanted to reassure you guys on how to tie your do-rag like a pro. This was actually one of my first videos I ever made on YouTube, you know, about ways. It was how to tie your do-rag. So a year later, I'm doing it again. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this little short video, make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.